Welcome guys, quick tutorial on PowerDirector for mobile or iPad. Now this has got to do with the speed up or slow down of footage. Let's bring in our footage. I'll show you how to speed up and slow it down. Let's add our timeline. Okay, so you see here's the footage, and what we want to do is if we want to speed it up, so if we're going to play at normal speed right now, let's just play it at normal speed. Okay, now if you want to speed it up, all you have to do is go down here and then go right there. See that? Speed. So now that opens up this tab, and what you want to do if you want to speed it up, you want to tap and push up, and now that speeds up your footage. Let's take a look just to see what that looks like. See, now it's going really fast. Okay, now if you want to slow it down, you just want to tap and hold and drag it down to about half. Now if you want to play it, see, nice and smooth, and that's how you speed up or slow down footage. PowerDirector Mobile and iPad. Alright, I'll see you in the next one. Leave me a thumbs up, give me a comment if you used this before. If you want more tutorials like this, let me know. Bye bye.